Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps of sharing a reel to your feed on Facebook using your PC. If you want to showcase your favorite reels to your friends, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook and log in to your account. Step 2. Look for the Reels tab located on the left-hand side of your Facebook homepage and click on it. Step 3. Scroll through the Reels until you find the desired one. Click on it to open. Step 4. On the Reel page, locate the Share button and click on it. Step 5. A menu will appear. Click on More Options. Step 6. Another menu will appear. Select Share to Feed. And there you have it. You've successfully shared a reel to your feed on Facebook using your PC. This allows you to showcase your favorite reels and share them with your friends and followers. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.